XRP, we start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to my analysis, since the price was exactly within here 3 days ago, then we discuss about the next drop. This is what we get. Now, what's the next? Whether we should expect the price to retest the previous low based on this shadow, that means drop to 1.97 before we see the reversal, or the price can reverse from here. As what I explained in my last analysis, from here I mentioned if we get opportunity for buy, we'll take it, but we should be aware of the next drop, because the reason I was looking at this as a three waves, 1 2 3, before we see the reversal. And I mentioned if we get this option, this is the best, because it can give us better confirmation and better opportunity to look for trade. Okay, now whether we should wait to price retest this low or here because of this shadow. This is the part that some of the some of the traders, the way they look at the chart is different. Okay, now what's the lowest price of this correction based on daily chart, here or here, whether we should consider this shadow or not. Okay, because if we consider this shadow, that means still we should wait. If not, the price retests the lowest price in relative 1 2 3, now we should look for the next reversal, next move. Okay, now to make it very simple, for sure, if the price, because based on lower time frame, if we move to lower time frame, for example, if we move to lower forward chart, we don't see the shadow here. This is what with the shadow which we had based on daily chart. Okay, now if you want to look at the chart, this is the internal as a flat, as a 1 2 3 based on forward chart. This is the best if we get, because we see the confirmation before we see the reversal. But at the same times, it doesn't mean we have to wait to see get this option. Okay, we don't need to wait for that, but we have to be aware of that. When I say we have to be aware of that, if there is a reversal for buy from here, we will take it. But if we get the trade set up, as I mentioned, we'll take it, but we should be quite careful about, for since we can expect the price drop to 1.97, because as I mentioned, if the price drop to 1.97, we see the confirmation for the next reversal. Any opportunity we will get, this is the best. But if the price reverse from here, also we'll take the trade. But we want to see how is this reversal, because we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction before we see the next drop and we see the reversal. Because we can expect one move up, then we have internal as a 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3 before we see the reversal. This one can turn to a more complex correction if the price reverse from here. Then to make it very simple, how we can look for trade, any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop. We don't need to refer to this one. We will refer to this. Then if there is a breakout, we refer to here. Okay, if the price could break the first and second, the previous stop, then we good, we keep the trade. But at the same times, we have to move our stop loss to break even or not. If not, we see there is no breakout and we see the divergence based on lower time frame. This is where we should be at least book some profit or take out the trade in the profit, because we can expect this one. Then to make it very simple, any opportunity for buy from here, for me, I will take it. Then if I see there is no continuation of movement, either I take out the trade or move my stop loss to break even. Then if we move to 1 hour chart, the only way to look for trade, we can put our entry above here. Okay, because based on, if we move to 15 minute, we'll see what we have based on 15 minute. All right, we cannot consider this one as a flag, but the only option is to put our entry above the top. All right, if I move to 1 hour chart, if we want to consider this one as a first flag, is not right, but the only way is to put the entry above here, and with the expectation the price sharply tag, break, and continue. If the price tag within the first or maximum second hours, we see there is no continuation, and if we see the divergence based on lower time frame like 15 or 5 minutes, we take out the trade. This is the only way at this point we can look for trade. But as I mentioned, if the price retests 1.97, then any opportunity for buy from there, we will take it. any reversal as a flag. We don't see anything else to discuss, and if we move to higher time frame, first of all, we don't need these lines anymore. And we mentioned with the breakout of the all-time high, okay, with the breakout of the all-time high, which is this here, then we can look for 4.2, 5.4, and the best range I'm looking for is 5.4 and 6. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.